How to transfer your posts and notes to WordPress on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer your posts and notes to WordPress on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings and then click this one, transfer copy of your information, and next, and here just click WordPress, and now just click next and connect your Facebook with WordPress. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.